Hey lads, TechScanning here. So it is no more a mystery that Oppo's sub-brand OnePlus is working on its first foldable phone, as the brand officially confirmed it early this year. As per the reports, it will be specifically designed for the international markets. However, it will be available in China but with a different name, most likely Oppo Find N3. The OnePlus Foldable, that is most likely to be called OnePlus V Fold, is tipped to come with a 2K resolution display by the well-known tipster digital chat station. And now a render circulating online what could be the OnePlus V Fold look like, and looking at that, it is very similar to the sketch earlier shared by the digital chat station except for a slightly different camera alignment. The OnePlus V Fold is said to be one of the finest foldable phones with noticeably less crease, can close completely unlike the Galaxy Z Fold5, and will be significantly thin like the Huawei Mate X3. But probably the most exciting part of the OnePlus V Fold is that it is said to come with a better camera system, even better than the brand's candy bar flagship phones. You see, the foldable phones are incredible with a giant screen that can fold at your ease, bigger battery and amazing power under the hood, but are often criticized for the lack of flagship-like camera system. Even the foldable smartphone market leader Samsung shy to offer its best camera system on its Z Fold series despite the premium price tags. So it's great that finally a company will put special focus on the camera department so we can get a kind of all-purpose foldable phone. As per the veteran leaker, the OnePlus V Fold camera setup will include a 50-megapixel primary, which will be a Sony IMX890, a 48-megapixel IMX581 for ultra-wide, and a periscope sensor. And most likely this camera setup will be tuned by Hasselblad, while the two selfie camera sensors are said to be a 32-megapixel and 20-megapixel. The OnePlus V Fold will run on the powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and a 4800 mAh of battery, significantly bigger than the Z Fold4. Interestingly, as per the rumor mill, we could also see the OnePlus iconic alert slider on its first foldable phone. So the OnePlus V Fold could be an impressive addition to the foldable phone market, and as it is targeted at the global market, unlike the other Chinese brands, it could be a serious challenger to Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold5. Let me know in the comment section if OnePlus V Fold is really hyping you. While it's too early to say anything about its launch date, but we can expect it somewhere near the launch of its rival Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Of course, in the coming days, we are likely to get more information on OnePlus' first foldable smartphone. So to stay updated, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.